Sorry.
No! No!
Say you're sorry.
No!
Stop it!
Just
Stop, Allie!
do not talk to Allie like that. Alan, I have to go to my doctor now.
I'm leaving.
I need to.
What, you don't? I don't care. That's what you don't understand. I
You
don't
need
care.
to calm down.
I'm leaving.
Bye.
I am leaving.
Bye,
I'm
Alan.
not dealing with these kids anymore. That's what you don't get.
You're not dealing with these kids anymore? They're your children. What'd you call me?
A fat loser.
One more time.
A
Look at
fat, old loser who I hate.
Say it again.
I hate you. I'm trying to shower. You're barging in.
I
want privacy. Guys, you know what she said? She told me. This thing told me. I'm done with you. I'm so done with you.
Charlie, can you please try to get out of bed?
I don't want to go with
I
that
understand.
crazy guy! I am not ever going with him.
In a post made a few days ago by Catherine. This is what she says. It is with profound heartbreak that I hope none of you experience. Today I am writing that this is my last post ever.
I come up on my bed. Some woman put up with too much things for too long and then make it boil and bubble over. Me not run, man, joke. Go bad up your mother. Can you start to talk loud, me ignorant, more climb up on the house stop and go on bad. Your man treat your mother, you keep secret. Me not keep no secret for no dirty man. If my man treat me good, he might treat me good. And if him not treat me good, you know I'm out. Peace. And anybody here say no man treat me bad, is over me dealerance. When you just carry me, go help me. Help me, please. Oh, yeah, Angelica. And if you ever hear say I'm gonna treat me bad, over me. Just carry me, go somewhere that you can wash off. Help me. Just get 2 candles from March drugstore. Somebody just help me. Help me. You crazy? Some woman make it look like man is all end all and everything. They want man to till Jesus Christ. They wanna give up them everything. 2 man, just to say them have a man. No. Sometimes you have to learn to be by yourself and build. Get to know yourself. Be by yourself. Rest your front. Rest your brain. Rest your body.
Jesus Christ, I am done with TikTok.
Because long me have to wrap up it up on me and then but sometimes I touch the shit and I just wash off it.
Wait with them alive, you know, you talk about touch shit.
It's true because this morning I touch the shit. Honestly.
And when you untouch the shit, what you do?
Maybe put this soap on the face base and wash me and come out and give thanks.
What breed?
Nobody never,
no, that breed. Top notch, thank you so much. Lucy, big up. Everybody drop a road.
They go suck your my breath. Then you left your friend, them left your son. You know, hey girl, don't pass the place with my mother, girl. When I see my mother arrest, I make my mother arrest and go suck out your live mother breath. When I carry nothing for you. You don't tell my mother already, I'm leave it alone. Me leave it alone. You come tell about my mother, go suck your mother. You see my mother arrest, you come go like you want disrespect mother. If someone know the day I'm shooting on your face in a real life. Me shooting in your face, but you come talk about you come to Miami can do it. Before make a man roll in a mobile square and boxing your bum buckler 2 times. Don't come over here so come tell me nothing to. Every time I am in an argument, then come tell me about my mother. Every minute me am in an argument to tell me about my mother. You know say my mother bum buckler this and my mother that. You know say my mother a weakness. Enough chance me give her. And she come over here so show me a rank. You hear say a fucking rose match. You said Interstellar. You said 600, that God make you blood class 600 go back to somebody yesterday. Because I'm sure I never me forget it. Oh, look a mad idiot bumbo clock girl. Everybody come around here, use you. And everybody tell you, oh, me there your foot. Everybody tell you, oh, me there your foot. Oh, me there your foot and they treat you. You come off our internet for 2 weeks and you don't remember nothing about party. Mad girl, I want to I think you can diss me, bitch. Me now I'm in a whole mad girl bumbo clad. We put on no ugliness on them bumbo clad face, disrespect me. Move your ugly bumbo clad, mad big mouth bumbo clad self and go away. Your mouth big now bumbo clad. you can't go number one. Because people that are there on your foot to rate you left. You see, across these people that alone just pack up on your page. And you're not even a win 3 blood clot match good. I mean, alone you play match with. Last time I watch you play match with Prime Minister, them and then just over there beat a blood clot killer. They just a beat and they send you and they ask you be a question.
It's because me intend for go live and mention this because me never got trouble or...
So Shani, why would you make a video a call it dog blood clot?
Me never make a video, me go live and the people them hear me a call the dog Chrissy and them say why me a trouble Chrissy. So me say me not trouble Chrissy, I saw the dog name. Call her for me because me don't know if you use this.
Call it dog Chrissy and make him come now, make me hear.
Come Chrissy, voila, let me see if me can turn on the camera. Oh this though, I camera turn on pan this.
Well, I don't know why Shani. So Father God, you can't. Shani, you come to church with me Sunday?
Pretty Dan, it's not my dog. This is Chrissy right here. I saw them name them dog.
I want to see you no call. I want to see you call.
Alright, Niall.
I want to see the fucking dog come to you.
Alright, so Nicole upon the phone and Nicole dog, right? Nicole. Them a say I'm my dog.
Alright, hold on. Alright, we could have clear it up now. How long now mums have a dog? Your sister?
Yeah, how long you have your dog? Over 10 years, right?
Can't 10 years and not have a dog and the dog just same Chrissy.
But me not like this mix up thing cause me not trouble nobody.
No. Turn on the camera and call the dog. Please,
Jesus.
me I beg you.
You don't have to check in the bag with us?
Eh?
No, shut.
No more baby.
No, man.
Yeah, but tell her. Yeah, ask her. Me I tell her I say no more baby. What do you mean me ask her?
In Brighty? What you mean?
I say.
Mommy can't decide that.
Who are going to decide it?
Me or you?
Me? Me decide that.
Are you? Mommy can do wishful thinking. No, but for it, me don't want no more though.
Better. Enough time the baby a ball and you're gone. Crystal alone before you're there. Where you there?
So enough time Chrissy gonna left me with them? It's called parenting. When she have them, me have them.
But once in a while, one time out a week. One time out a week. More baby. I'm going in and you pay a girl we have.
Right, that's so she. Don't know you me though. I know me alone. You not get no boy.
Roger came to Auto Defense, Ebony and the Live.
After you sure of that? You're not gonna talk, you don't want to get no beaten. You know, someone to rake up something at the night, yeah? So what else?
Why you want to set him up, bestie? That's my friend, you know.
Right, me and you're not a friend again, because I realize when I come.
Stop it.
Friendship finish.
With a clown, because the girl is a clown. That is what she is. Me big, but at least somebody tattoo me name 2 times and me is not a blood clot groupie. Me is no groupie. Me not ball over no artist when I look for blood clot me. Me not ball over no artist when I look for me. Me big no blood clot and that 2 times people put them name for my body and I'm love and I'm spoiled. Me know love. Me know love and me know what it feel like for man frightened over me no blood clot. I went time me big like buying no blood clot. Me know blood clot love. Me know what love feel like. And me know what it feel like for people mad over me. Blood clot, but big. Me big for true. Yes, me big for
You have a nice blood clot bed down the really make me lose to somebody when I have no bed where I walk and I block everybody.
I bring that do you so. Like I gotta win I don't want and Britain don't want you. Leave me alone. I'm gonna come and take a beg. And get gift and something stop it. Stop it.
No really I make somebody when I have no bed beat after me and Kizzy. I show off with nice bed yeah so. But no really I go make somebody when I all I know we have a bed drop a gift.
lick up the battle wall dirty blood clot. Come bite up my battle wall with a blood clot. That's why British comes. You want to put me suck out your blood clot, suck put your blood clot. Yo. Now the blood clot boy come eat up my blood clot. I want my body man come blood clot TikTok suck pussy boy. Now my blood clot boy come suck me out. When me sleep on blood clot TikTok, where you did them blood clot time suck pussy boy. Drunk yo. Look on you to blood clot, to blood dirt maga. Let's go and with every bomber blood clot people drunk, stinking see one we want blood clot. Come and eat up my body wall.